Get excited about the 2011 Land Rover Range Rover. With just over 40,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 5-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. All of the following features are included: power front seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated door mirrors, and power windows. Rear passengers enjoy the seat heating functionality, keeping them warm during the winter months. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.